It's okay if you run, precious. It's the thrill of the hunt that makes me crave you. Just remember, once I find you, your little game is over.
Darkness descends upon the man to wrap the world in night's black embrace. The restless dead stir in their ancient tombs, and creatures born of shadow rise to quench their savage hungers. Whispers echo from the crypt, beckoning with the promise of dark desire. And those who heed their call are forever lost in the night.
Come with me, and you'll be in a world of your imagination. Take a look and you'll see into your imagination.
You hear that? Storm's coming. Whether you're bringing the storm, weathering the storm, or just dancing in the rain, there's gonna be something beautiful on the other side. See you there.
Oh yeah, I like it. But why would the goddess of the sea send a Selkie to Camille? Ugh, that's a major plot hole. I'm gonna have to figure it out tomorrow. All right, let's see what I wrote. Oh my gosh. Yes. Camille's a scientist. That's why the goddess needed her. When did I write that?
Late one night, distant screams, people shouting surrender. Blood-stained snow haunts my dreams. Once upon a December, someone calling out my name. Soldiers bursting through the gates. Fear and fire seize my heart, and then the world goes dark. to drown. Never gonna be quiet. You seem to only wanna wild in silence. That's fine, but I know you're working from a clock, and so you pulled the gun and called it down. My only option is to stop, drop, and roll. I could just throw up, but you constantly saying I'll grow up. Now hold up.
On a dark, forsaken road, there stands a stark and grim abode. An old manor house looms black and tall to cast a grave and deathly pall. Beyond the ancient wrought iron gate, 1,000 nightmares lie in wait. For dark things dwell in this house of fear, and none but the dead dare trespass here.
Wait, when you said suit up, you meant like right now? I'm hungry.
Yes, now. We've been suiting up for 20 minutes. I mean, am I the only one who suits up one leg at a time?
Well, yeah, it's a skirt, so.
You think I'm crazy? You think I'm gone? So what if I'm crazy? All the best people are. And I think you're crazy too. I know you're gone. It's probably the reason that we get along.
We are throwing a Halloween party at our house. It's gonna be the greatest thing ever
Someone will die.
of fun.
And of murder.
There's gonna be beer, pumpkins,
Bloody goblins.
fake ones. It's gonna be awesome. We have decorations.
Dead people that we just murder.
Nah.
You know, looking over your application here, everything looks really great. Welcome to the Empowered Women's Society. Before you begin, there's a few things you should know. You ready? Yo, hello, and welcome to Empowered Women TikTok. Your new job is to post inspiring content all around the clock. We're hyping females cause we need more positivity. And spreading smiles like glitter cause girl, you know that shit's free. You start a new dance trend, you know we're gonna come and try it. And if you drop some merch, your whole crew's there to freaking buy it. Forget them haters, girl, we'll never let them get you down. So smile, stand tall, queen, let me straighten that crown.
Hey, soldier boy, I see how you stare. Hey, what's your man? I see you admire. Come gather round, hey, shockingly, yeah. Come see me dance to the rhythm of the tempo.
was that? I should kill everyone and escape? Sorry. The voices. I'm kidding. That's not what they really said.
There once was a ship that put to sea, and the name of that ship was the Billy O.T. The winds blew hard, her bow dipped down. Blow me, bully boys, blow. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. She had not been 2 weeks from shore when down on her a right whale bore. The captain called all hands and swore he'd take that whale in tow. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go.
And hell yeah, I'm the motherfucking princess. I can tell you like me too, and you know I'm right. She's like, so whatever, you can do so much better. I think we should get together now. And that's what everyone's talking about. Hey, hey, I don't like your girlfriend. That's right, now, right, if you need a new one. Hey, I could be your girlfriend.
Can't make me stop, I wanna go hunting any takers. I'm not fake, cause I've got acres and acres, paid for with my own riches. Where my hounds at, release the bitches. Woof.
I have deadly nightshade, so twisted does it grow, with berries black as midnight and a skull as white as snow. The vicar's cocky young son came to drink my tea. He touched me without asking, now he's buried neath the tree.
I don't need a boyfriend, that shit's full-time employment. And I don't got the time for you or anybody else but me. I don't need a boyfriend right now, that shit's full-time employment. Time out, did you just call me your girl? You feeling lucky, you think you love me? Well listen honey, we're gonna take it slow. We won't go any faster than makes me comfortable. Cause you know, I just got out of a stay at Heartbreak Hotel. The fellas don't treat you very well. I'm always buying what they sell at the Heartbreak Hotel. I'm at the Heartbreak, I'm at the Heartbreak, I'm at the Heartbreak Hotel.
Why do you never hang out with any of your friends?
Oh, because I don't have them.
Oh, that's sad.
That's okay, I got tons of strangers.
Help, let me out.
Oh, no.
You know, I may be weird. Thank you.
This is Halloween, everybody make a scene. Trick or treat, tell my neighbors, get a diaphragm. Let's all
I don't want to be a secret, but I do want to be a fairy tale that you tell to small children to keep them from going out into the woods. And then when you're a teenager, you throw crab apples at my wood shack because you no longer fear me, but then I cut you up and eat you in a little stew.